how to buy Robinhood token. So this token came under the symbol of HOOD, HOOD. Now before we start, this is not natural advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do all research. And also there is referral codes down in the description. You can get free money, rewards on crypto with the best referral code. Simply the codes below. Fund your account and enjoy the benefits. Check them out in the description. So before going on buy this token, make sure to check the REFERRAL account and keep following the updates about this token. As you can see, this token, it's available on auto snipe. Yes. So to be able to buy this token, copy the token address from here, as you can see. So this token, it's under the Solana network. Now open your fund to manage for that. Click on swap here. Make sure you have enough Solana in your wallet. Click here and paste the token address. As you can see, this is our token. Click on it. Now here type how much you want to buy. So here you will be able to see how much you receive. After that, select provider, for example Jupiter, and make sure to read all of this information here. And after that, click on swap, and you will be able to redirect to the Jupiter provider page to be able to buy this token. Now, if you face any issue, go back to this page, choose the slippage from here or custom it, because the most of the issues came from the slippage, and after that, you're going to be able to buy this token without any issue. So this is how to buy a HOOD token. If you find this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.